In this session, we will explain how to use the income and expense tracker to add, review, and share receipts. Keep track of receipts, checks, and invoices in one location by going to Income and Expense on the side navigation bar. Click Add Company to add a company. This can be a business, department, project, or anything else. You can share companies with existing Everleagues members. They will be able to view and add receipts as well. To add a receipt, click the Add icon, then fill out the information. Click Upload Receipt to upload. Click Update in the Report column to view reports, organized by category. Easily export as a PDF or .xls file to suit your needs. To make changes, click the Settings icon to update the information as needed. This is how to add, organize, and share receipts using the Everleagues Income and Expense Tracker tool on a web browser. You may also use the tool on any mobile device by using our mobile app. First, download Everleagues from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Next, log in with the same username and password as the web app. Finally, go to the Tools section and click Income and Expense Tracker to use it. Click the plus icon to add a new company and share it with others. Click Add Receipt to add new receipts by using Camera or selecting from Photo Album. Click View to view and download reports. Finally, click Settings to make any changes as needed.